Alright, John here. We're moving on to 4Clojure problem number 34, implement range. Write a function which creates a list of all integers in a given range. So range is a lazy sequence. So let's make our own version of it. Lazy sequences are something I want to learn a little better anyway, so let's take a stab at it. So what we'll do is we'll say, let's define a function called my range, and we're going to give it a couple arities, and the first arity will be with no arguments, and what we'll do is we'll call my range with 1. Alright, now let's do another arity, and that will be with 1 argument. And what we'll do with that is we will make our lazy sequence. What we'll do is we'll concat the current value, which is n, and then we're going to call lazy seq with the next value, and we're going to concat, we'll make that into a vector so that when we concat it'll actually work. So we'll do a lazy sequence, and all we're going to do is call my range again with n plus 1. Alright, let's define that and let's test it out. So it'll take 4 of my range, call this a function to make it work. Okay, and that works. So we're going to go through the process for 4Clojure. We need to get that into a function that we can stick into that blank spot there. So we're going to make this the function my range, and we'll do another we need another function that will take start and stop, and we should have had, we'll have to change this to start. Okay. And then, oh, and the stop value is going to be when to stop. So we're not going to do take 4, we're going to do take while this number is less than stop. Alright, so let's get all this together. So we're going to do function p34, and we're going to have a start value and a stop value. Okay, and we'll say, let's do a let block. We're going to let this function, we're going to call it, just call it our function f. Okay, all this is going to be f, that ends our let block, and we want to do take while inside of our function here. We're going to do not my range now, but we're going to call f, and we will take while less than stop. Alright, let's see if that even compiles. It does. Let's assign it to a var. Def, call it def p34. Alright, now we have p34. Let's just test it a couple times. P3414. gives us 1, 2, 3. They have 1, 2, 3, and we got 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 2. All right, so it looks like all that works. So let's just copy and paste that into our space and see if it likes our solution. And it does. Great. Thanks for watching.